Uyabona Maqabane, while we push ANC out of government, we must learn from them. And we don't have to be their friends to learn from them. I'm not saying befriend them. Nabantu ba ANC bane-experience endinga. These guys are experienced. And if singayitholi indlela yokubenefit from their experience, we will repeat the very same mistakes they did. Bafundile labantu baka-ANC ukuthi uma u-abuse amandla kuhulumeni noma kwi-department kwenzekani ngawo. Nikeza isibonelo sikaSenzo Mchunu. Hlele ekhaya njengamanje bawenzani? Ba-abuse amandla, wakampuna i-PKTT sesamandla ephazamisa umkhwanazi, enza umsebenzi omuhle wokukhuphulula amasela negebengu eseyigcwele ama-government departments asebenzisana nemhlwembe engaphandle kwe-society. Sesamandla yakho Mchunu wabulala i-PKTT. Njengamanje sibuya nayo. U-ANC ufundile ukuthi ukuba too loyal kubantu aba-completely behind the enemy line, ube loyal kumuntu osebonakala ngaphandle kokunanaza ukuthi lo is not taking us where we need to go, kubulala kanjalo umuntu. Nika isibonelo sikaCyril Ramaphosa. Bafundile kwa-ANC ukuthi kuba loyal kuNamaphosa wenzeni ngoKhongolose. Ukukampune from 57% down to 39 point something percent. Ngoba uRamaphosa ushama on goal, bona ba loyal to their president. That the break. Yakhala Khongolose njengamanje uyilebetho nje Khongolose. Uyinabukeni nje lawakhala. Lamanabukeni lawonela wona. Uluwashe mawubothi uyacela futhi uluwashe ulibeke la. Yini uba loyal uRamaphosa an individual president. Uqede nyanga Khongolose. So esinye sefunda basithole. Yes. U-ANC ufundile ukuthi ukuthatha ama-professionals njengabameli, ama-chartered accountant, osomabhizinisi, ama-director, uwaphendule ama-politicians kulibulala kanjani izwe. Buka sinjani njengamanje, buka wonke ama-department yohulumeni kuthathwe ama-professionals akhanjiswa ama-report angekho, afundisa ubuciko kokufihla ukuvilapha njengoba kwenzeka lapha education. Mawufunda i-APP yabo uya kwi-M&E section, uma ngabe uya used to M&E uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi by design the M&E section ihlose nje ukufihla ungasebenzi, ihlose ukufihla ungaplani ngendlela, ihlose ukureporta kwamanga ngokuthi we have reached the target, we have reached 120%. Ngalo mzuzu mabuka i-target 57 schools for the whole year. State college 23,000 in South Africa. Got only 57 schools will be monitored. All must be monitored 60 for a whole year nationally. We have surpassed our target. M&E system designed to hide underperformance and project it as good performance. What are the their priority? Awukho long ayithola khona in the indicator clear ukuthi yafuthi. Ayina primary indicator, ayina custom indicator, ayina activities that are being tracked. There are no time frames. Bathatha ama-target bawathinge le kwi-30 ne-4th quarter umnyaka vele usiyophela. Plan not. So ufundile uKhongolose ukuthi ukusebenzisa ama-professionals kambi nawo uqobo kokugcwalisa amajele. zifile ama-careers enganeni ngefundile ngenxa ye-ANC. Zifile iy'kole ngenxa yokuqashwa koprincipali abangama-loyal ANC members abangazi jack shit ngumanager wesikole. File ama-district afile ama-circuit. You are putting incompetent people and you compromise real professionals in the space. Ifundo ke lezo ANC oyifundile. Ufundile u-ANC ukuthi abuse power even in parliament. Kwenzekani ngawe? The case of Mama Nosiviwe Ngqabule. Ngiyacela manje lithuba ke noyibuka ivideo yalo mama lona interview uMdlozi. Ungayi futhi ngokuthi wena uEFF moyibuka. Ungayi ukuthi wena ukhonto moyibuka. Just listen to that thing. You'll hear that she's one person who has been loyal to the ANC more than loyal to the country. She has been blindly taking the instructions from the ANC and implementing them as demonstration of loyalty. But see where she is today. She stood against the law, and her own organization betrayed her. Now she's left alone in the court. Mistake efeni ngayenzi bantu bakithi. Ucabanga ukuthi Siphetho Mkhize ungcwele. Siphetho Mkhize kana qhashaza. Siphetho Mkhize waqatha ngesizweni. Siyofa naye noma ngabe kuthiwani mistake le. Uma uSiphetho Mkhize engasenzi kahle, let him go. To save umkhonto, to save the revolution, and to keep within the laws of the country. Uyabona umama uSiviwe Ngqabule. Mawumthando ngaqhubeka umhleke uthi he uyalunga wayenzani. Kodwa umbuzo wami ezokubuza wena. Usufikile nesigabeni wena sokwazi amaqiniso njengaye. Usuyifundile nifundile ngoba nathi njengomkhonto masoya lapha singafundile from our mistakes ANC. So abuse power. Ufe iqembu the revolution igqitheleke emuva ingahambi ngejubane efeyihamba ngalo ngoba thina sesibhizi siyabuse power. Mlalele lo mama lo hamba kuleya video. Just listen to it. You'll hear a crying voice in her heart to say, I've given all my loyalty to the party, not to the country. And my party today has forsaken. You'll also learn, sometimes they do instruction ngoba vele uphoswe mkhonto. So against Salento, uyothi la yenza ngalesi yazi vele ukuthi ayilungile. So but let's prepare abezindaba la ukuthi mayebuya nje bekhwele phezu kwakhe thina sosasifuna statement yena sokuthi yenze lento wrong ebethulwe thina. And lo wazobani umuntu obuloyal. So the new politicians we need, guys, is those who will be loyal to the revolution, loyal to the laws of the country, while changing the laws that are not helping us to transform this country. Lento yokuba loyal ama-individuals, lento lena yokufuna amathuba asheshayo ukuyicebisa njengoba kwenzekile ku-ANC sizobhala amajele nathi. Lento yoba loyal kumcomrade ungambophi fabe uyambopha, ungamxoshi fabe uyamxosha, sizobhala amajele nathi njengoba kwenzeka lapha e-ANC. Sizobona ikona, ayobona amaklinikhi, iyobona imigwaqo, iyobona ama-department ohulumeni, iyofanya public infrastructure, bayobona omasipala, ayophela amathuba emisebenzi. Ngenxa yani sinqabile ukufunda kumalunga ka-ANC. Those guys have compromised a lot for the ANC. Those guys have been pushed by self-interest a lot to the point that they've messed up themselves. Right now, bonke amahaki zabo agcwele i-human waste because they were not pushed by proper values and rationale.